gentlemen, Namaskar. I welcome you all to India. No talk about the future, sustainability, or growth and development can be complete without energy. It impacts development at all levels, from individuals to nations. Friends, given our different realities, our pathways for energy transition are different. However, I firmly believe that our goals are the same. India is making great efforts in green growth and energy transition. India is the most populated nation and the fastest growing large economy in the world. Yet, we are moving strongly on our climate commitments. India has shown leadership in climate action. We achieved our non-fossil installed electric capacity target 9 years in advance. We have now set a higher target. We plan to achieve 50% non-fossil installed capacity by 2030. India is also among the global leaders in solar and wind power. I am happy that the working group delegates visited the Pavagada solar park and Modhera solar village. They have witnessed the level and scale of India's commitment to clean energy. Friends, in India, we have connected more than 190 million families with LPG in the last 9 years. We have also achieved the historic milestone of connecting every village to electricity. We are also working to provide piped cooking gas to people. It has the potential to cover more than 90% of the population in a few years. Our efforts is to work for inclusive, resilient, equitable, and sustainable energy for all. Friends, small steps lead to big results. In 2015, we began a small movement by launching a scheme for the use of LED lights. This became the largest LED distribution program in the world, saving us more than 45 billion units of energy per year. We have also started the largest agricultural pump solarization initiative in the world. India's domestic electric vehicle market is projected to reach 10 million annual sales by 2030. We have commenced the rollout of 20% ethanol blended petrol this year. Our aim is to cover the entire country by 2025. For decarbonizing India, we are working on a mission mode on green hydrogen as an alternative. The aim is to make India a global hub for the production, use, and export of green hydrogen and its derivatives. We are happy to share our learnings. Friends, the world looks up to this group to advance sustainable, just, affordable, inclusive, and clean energy transition. While doing this, it is important that our brothers and sisters in the global south are not left behind. We must ensure low-cost finance for developing countries. We must find ways to bridge technology gaps, promote energy security, and work on diversifying supply chains. And we must strengthen collaboration on the fuels for the future. The high-level principles on hydrogen are a step in the right direction. Transnational grid interconnections can enhance energy security. We are promoting this mutually beneficial cooperation with our neighbors in this region. And I can tell you, we are seeing encouraging results. Realizing the vision of interconnected green grids can be transforming. It will enable all of us to meet our climate goals, stimulate green investment, and create millions of green jobs. I invite you all to join the Green Grids initiative, One Sun, One World, One Grid of the International Solar Alliance. Friends, caring for your surroundings can be natural. It can also be cultural. In India, it is a part of our traditional wisdom, and that is where mission life gets its strength from. A lifestyle for environment will make each one of us a climate champion. Friends, no matter how we transition, our thoughts and actions must always help preserve our one earth, protect the interest of our one family, and move towards a green one future. I wish you success in your deliberations. Thank you. Namaskar.